everyone, how are you doing? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. If you haven't seen any of the other tea videos on my channel, you would have missed out on knowing what Sips by is. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription discovery box. It's $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. If you go to the Sips by website and you click on the shop button at the top, it will take you to a page where you'll see tea boxes. Click on that button and it will take you to all the specialty tea boxes that Sips by has to offer. This is another specialty tea box. So let me take you to the unboxing of it. I will open it up, show you everything that I got inside, and then I will pick one of the teas to steep on the channel. If you go to the Sips by website and click on the shop icon and then click on the tea box icon, it will take you to all their specialty tea boxes to boost your mood, boost your immunity. They have tea boxes to help your sleep, a chai tea box, a bridal tea box, a floral tea box, and this one, which is perfect for the summertime, the iced tea box. You can get an iced tea box for $15 for just one box, or you can purchase a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month Sips by box gift card. The teas that are specific to this box are as follows: Red Berry Cooler by Pinky Up, Lychee and Rose Cold Brew by Teapigs, Sunny Sangria Black Tea by Fava Tea, and Davidson Organic Teas Moroccan Mint. This box comes with enough tea to make 15 cups, and it also comes with a reusable muslin cloth tea bags. So let's open the box and I'll show you what is inside. Sips by sends you the teas in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips by on it. And when you open it up, there's always an informational card inside. If it was the monthly subscription, it would be the July, August, September, etc. card. But this is a specialty box, so it is the iced tea box. So it has an iced tea box card on it, and if you flip it over, it will tell you exactly the teas that are inside the box, how to steep them, the ingredients, and a lot of times Sips by also gives you promo codes for 10% off or 20% off. So if you want to buy the teas yourself, you can buy them at a discount. My caffeine-free tea is the Red Berry Cooler by Pinky Up. The Sunny Sangria Black Tea is my high caffeine tea, and that's by Fava Tea. The Lychee and Rose Cold Brew is my caffeine-free tea, and the Moroccan Mint from Davidson Organics is a low caffeine tea. I specifically asked Sips by to give me a mixture of teas in my regular monthly box, and it's nice that they also offer a mixture of caffeine levels in this specialty tea box. So let's look inside. So what's really nice is Sips by includes an informational card in here that tells you how you can make iced tea. It says any of the teas can be used to make iced tea, and it gives you directions, which is really nice. The Teapigs Cold Brew Tea, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. When I opened these up later, I realized there were actually a couple sachets of tea in each of these packages, so there is actually a lot more tea than just 4 tea bags. The Davidson Moroccan Mint, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. These are the reusable muslin cloth tea bags. Sips by included those because I do have loose tea in this box. It makes it really convenient. The Sunny Sangria tea is my loose tea, so I will use those tea bags for that tea. And I believe the Red Berry Cooler was also loose tea. So I think for today's pick of tea, I am going to pick the Sunny Sangria tea, but I'm going to actually make it hot instead of making it cold. So let's get started.
I love this idea of having the iced tea box, especially now that it is so hot here. Love being able to use these teas both hot or cold. Really appreciate SipSpy for sending me so many different varieties of specialty tea boxes. What I really like is I can test out all these teas, get a variety of teas, and then if I really like some of the teas in these tea boxes, SipSpy offers discounts so that I can purchase them for less. Thanks again, SipSpy. I will leave a link to this box down in my description box. I'll also put a promo code down there for $5 off one of the monthly subscriptions. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.